Hi guys, so tech companies are taking all over the world. आपने देखा ही होगा हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ न्यूज़ होती है टेक के बारे में, कभी ऑटोमेटेड कार से रिलेटेड, कभी वेरेबल से रिलेटेड, कभी ब्रेन चिप से रिलेटेड। इनफैक्ट आजकल स्मार्ट वॉचेस से पता लग रहा है कि अगर किसी को कोई हार्ट का इशू होने वाला है। So guys, I thought as we're almost entering into 2023, थोड़ा सा crystal ball gazing कर लेते हैं into what the future holds for us as far as futuristic technologies are concerned. Because it's going to be tech all the way that will change how we lead our lives in future. Let's begin with futuristic tech number 1, microneedle and painless injections. That was never heard of, right? A needle-free, painless injection. Well, Netherlands में researchers ये develop कर रहे हैं already. In fact, bubble gun इसको बोला जा रहा है. It pushes tiny droplets through the outer layer of your skin और ये process injection से quicker है. Almost feels like a mosquito bite. And there's no wound mark also. Medical tech में this is a major breakthrough. Let's see when it becomes mainstream. Next up, fighting fire with sound. Well, extinguishing fires using water and hose pipes, ये सब तो सुना था, but sound से आग बुझाना? Climate change induced fires all over the world are becoming more and more rampant और ये आगे भी rampant हो गए. ऊपर से there is water shortage. तो innovators ने एक और तरीका ढूंढा है, that is using sound waves to extinguish fires. इसके discussions चल रहे थे 2015 से ही, but how does this work? So sound waves essentially move oxygen away from the fire spot to extinguish the fire, and as we know, fire needs oxygen to burn. Brain-computer interfaces. Imagine being able to control a computer mouse or a keyboard by just thinking about it, or hearing music not streamed through speakers but having it streamed straight into your brain. Creepy or exciting, you decide, but guys, that is going to be the future because Elon Musk's company Neuralink is leading the efforts in this direction. ये company humans के brains में chips को डालेगी जिससे वो communicate कर पाएंगे with computers. But how is it great tech if it's fiddling with your brain? Well, the idea is rooted in the future. इसका idea ये है कि humans should be able to compete with super intelligent robots in the future, and this technology will also be used to cure disorders like depression or addiction. 3D printing. Need a home? Well, just press print. And this is sort of kind of old news, but it's gone to a whole new level. I'm talking of 3D printing. It includes all kinds of material enabling individuals to manufacture their own items, including stationery items, homes, spare parts, and at the same time, giving companies new alternatives. 3D प्रिंटिंग से हो क्या रहा है कि मैन्युफैक्चरिंग जो है वो डेमोक्रेटाइज हो गई है। आई एम श्योर आपने 3D प्रिंटेड होम्स चाइना में, यूएस में और यूके में भी सुना होगा, और ये बोला जा रहा है कि अमेरिका में तो अगले 3 से 4 साल में ये प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल होने वाला है। और इसके काफ़ी सारे रीजंस है बिकॉज 3D प्रिंटेड होम्स ब्रिंग डाउन द प्राइस ऑफ हाउसिंग और एक अल्टरनेटिव क्रिएट करता है housing के लिए. But you know what? The best part is that these can be built in as little as 24 hours. तो 3D printing को बोला जा रहा है that it will transform manufacturing and will help us make products in the comfort of our homes. Wireless electricity transmission. Now guys, this may soon become reality because efforts शुरू हो गए हैं to build wireless power transmission tech. ये काफ़ी टाइम से ऑन है इनफैक्ट, और ये और भी ज़्यादा अब स्पीड पकड़ेगा बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्रोथ ऑफ 5G, इलेक्ट्रिक कार्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स वायरलेस चार्जिंग। एक न्यूजीलैंड बेस्ड स्टार्टअप ने तो एक मेथड बनाया है जिससे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वायरलेस तरीके से ट्रांसफ़र की जा सकती है। बट हाउ डज दिस वर्क? वेल, यहाँ ट्रांसमीटर एंड डिवाइस बोथ आर वाइब्रेटिंग एट द सेम रेजोनेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी, और ये आइडिया फेमस इनोवेटर निकोला टेस्ला का था जिसको अब पॉसिबल बनाया जा रहा है ऑन अ वाइड स्केल, जिससे ये होगा कि वर्ल्ड के एक पार्ट से दूसरे पार्ट तक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भेजना बहुत ही सिंपल और अफोर्डेबल हो सकेगा। Next up, drones. Well guys, military tasks में the usage of drones is nothing new, but they are becoming more and more essential to non-military tasks like agriculture, delivering emergency aid, delivering groceries and medicines to the remotest parts of the country, or monitoring climate change also, and even to patrol and identify bad guys in society. ये चीज़ें जो है ये कुछ possible होंगी, but अभी के लिए drones का usage हो रहा है for food deliveries by Zomato and Swiggy. You may have heard of them. Hyperloop, Mumbai to Pune in 23 minutes flat. Well, this isn't a crazy pipe dream, but guys, ये एक whole new level of transportation system है, which will make this possible very soon, and it's called Hyperloop, which is, like I said, the transportation of the future. It's not just quicker, but ये cheaper भी है और less polluting भी है. Hyperloop काम कैसे करता है? ये एक pod-based transportation system है that will allow you to travel at super fast speeds, like those of 1000 kilometers per hour, और ये 10 times faster है than your traditional railways. इन pods में 28 to 30 passengers बैठेंगे, एटलीस्ट जिन pods की बात इंडिया में अभी चल रही है. इनफैक्ट elon musk की जो कंपनी है वर्जिन हाइपरलूप, वो इसी कॉन्सेप्ट पे भी काम करती है. And last but not the least, guys, wearable devices. Now, technology integration एक काफ़ी popular trend रहा है as far as tech is concerned. However, insiders think कि we have just begun to scratch the surface as far as wearable tech is concerned. अभी हमारे पास है smartwatches, smart helmets, rings, and plasters, but the scope is far broader. Apple Watch का तो आपने सुना ही होगा, is already helping with saving the lives of people. But so what's next as far as wearable tech is concerned? Well, wearable technology will become more like second nature to our lives. For example, Google का एक project Jacquard है that is developing yarns that will integrate touch in gesture controls. That means wearable textiles जो होंगे, they will be able to control devices. इनफैक्ट आजकल कुछ पैच टाइप के डिवाइसेस भी हैं जिनको आप अपने स्किन पे एक पैच लगा सकते हो एंड दे मॉनिटर योर हेल्थ स्टेट्स लाइक टेम्परेचर हो गया या ब्लड ऑक्सीजन हो गया. सो इट्स गेटिंग टू अ होल न्यू लेवल. And of course, there are other technologies also like cloud services, AR, VR, blockchain, AI, and a whole lot of other technologies. But then I think इस वीडियो में इतना ही guys. We will perhaps bring out another video to talk about how all of those technologies also will change our lives in future, but maybe in part 2 of this video. Goodbye and thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned to Gadget Times for everything on tech.